Okay, everybody, we are going to do a little bit of review on surface area of pyramids again to get you ready for your assessment next week. So, both of these that you see on the screen right now, these are both square pyramids. So what that means is the first thing I want to do is I want my pen to work. So surface area, see if we can get this to go over. There we go. Surface area is going to be the area of the base. So the square is going to be, since that's 7 times 7, the area of the base is 49. Now, it's a square pyramid, which means now we have triangles. So the area is going to be half base times the height. So we are looking at the area is going to be 7 times 9 divided in half. So we go ahead and we take half of 63, and that is 31.5. So for that is one of our triangles. But it's a square pyramid, so that means that we actually have 4 identical triangles. So if I take that 31.5 and I multiply it by 4, I get 126. Now, I want this area of the base, this area of the 2 triangles. Give you a second to think about that. Use your calculator. And we get 175 square feet. Okay, let me give you just a second to pause this video and write that down. Okay, now we're going to start on this one. Same thing. Our surface area is going to be the square. And if you'll notice, that's 11 times 11. So that is 121 square centimeters. Now I've got the sides. So the triangles are going to be half the base times the height. So half of 11 times 6. So that's 11 times 6 is 66. Cut that in half, and we get 33. Now, if you remember, I don't just have one of these. I have 4 identical triangles. So that means that if I put the 2 of them together, or multiply it, then we are looking at 132 square centimeters for the sides. And I want this and this added together. So if I take my calculator, just like you are, and I add those 2 together, we end up with 253 square centimeters for the total. Okay, let you pause and write that down if you need to. Okay, now we're going to move on to triangular pyramids. Little different. The name tells you all of it. First, the bottom is a triangle. So that means that we need half of the base. Come on, pen. Half of the base times the height. So we get A equals half. Looks like our base is 3 and our height is 5. 3 times 5 is 15. And half of 15 is 7.5 for the bottom. Now, My side triangles, I have half times the base times the height. The base is going to be 3, and the height is going to be 8. So A equals half of 3 times 8, 24. Cut in half, 12. But that's just one of my triangles. If it's a triangular pyramid, I have 3 of them. Multiply that by 3. I get 36. And it's tired, I guess. Now we're going to add this and this together, and we end up with 43. Come on, baby. Okay, we're so close. Try again. There we go. 43.5 square inches. Okay, I'll let you write that one down, and then we're going to solve this one over here. Okay, last one. This also is a triangular pyramid. So that means there's a triangle on the bottom. So we end up with A equals a half times the base times the height. So A equals a half times, looks like 12 and 10. 12 times 10 is 120. Half of that is 60. Okay, now let's talk about our sides. It looks like we're looking at half the base and the height. So the base on this is going to be 12. And the height on this is going to be 9. 12 times 9 is 108. Half of that is 54. Now, I don't have one triangle that's 54. It's a triangular pyramid, so I have 3 of them. So multiply that by 3. We get 162. So now I'm going to add the bottom and all the sides, and we get 222 square inches. Okay, you are ready to practice pyramids.